Hi, this is Brian Wiklendt coming to you from Garfinkel Schwartz here in Maitland, Florida. We specialize in Defense-Based Act work, helping overseas contractors that get injured. So I'd like to take a look at what's going on overseas with world conflicts that may be coming up, just to put on everybody's radar. These are summaries that are based on what we've read in the news, gathered from government sources, the Department of Defense, military, and some impartial sources that study world conflicts. It's kind of what we like to keep track of so that our clients or our potential clients know what's going on and they can get the help that they need once they get injured in one of these remote areas. Next, I'm going to focus on Afghanistan, where the majority of my clients right now, of our clients at Garfinkel Schwartz, have either been to Afghanistan or are in Afghanistan. The United States became involved in Afghanistan originally because the Taliban refused to turn over Osama bin Laden. The U.S. found and killed Osama bin Laden, as most of all of you would know, in 2011. But there's still a number of forces needed to maintain a hold of Afghanistan, and the U.S. still needs to maintain a presence there, which will continue because of the unrest there ever since 2011. The U.S. currently has 9,800 troops in Afghanistan, which is what they report. Don't know if that's true or not. President Obama has recently said that there will at least be 8,400 troops remaining in Afghanistan beyond December 2016. No one really knows what's going to happen with the presidential election, but at least we know that there still will be troops in an attempt to control the Taliban regime in Afghanistan, at least through December 2016 when the new president takes over. Just as an aside, basically from the knowledge that we've gathered over the years, it seems like it's safe to say that there's a 3-to-1 ratio generally that in the number of overseas contractors versus military troops. So if you're talking about 9,800 troops in Afghanistan, you're looking pretty much at around 30,000 overseas contractors that are in Afghanistan supporting the effort. The U.S. Army is reportedly to be deploying 1,400 soldiers from the 101st Airborne Division to Afghanistan this fall, presently pretty much close to very soon, in support of Operation Freedom to hunt al-Qaeda and the Taliban in Afghanistan. And these troops will add to our already existing U.S. forces and overseas contractors as of right now. A March 2016 Congressional Research Service report states that there were approximately 28,600 Department of Defense contractors in Afghanistan. So I guess my math is actually relatively close, 3-to-1. The Department of Defense defines a defense contractor as any individual, firm, corporation, partnership, or other non-federal entity that enters into a contract directly with the Department of Defense to furnish services, supplies, or construction. So that's where they come up with their number of 28,600, which I believe there are more. But it's very difficult to actually find documented evidence as to how many contractors are out there. Basically because of my work as lead counsel here at Garfinkel Schwartz, working with people under the Defense-Based Act, whether you're working anywhere near these areas, the East China Sea, the South China Sea, South Korea, Iraq, Syria, Libya, Afghanistan, or anywhere else in the world, if you're a contractor and you're currently not injured, you seriously should consider consulting with Garfinkel Schwartz for free, or any other lawyer that actually knows what they're doing in terms of being a Defense-Based Act attorney. That's just so that you know what your rights are in these crazy countries and these places that are kind of third world type situations. You want to know your rights ahead of time in case something bad happens, and the best way to do that is to contact an attorney that knows what they're talking about in terms of what your rights are under the Defense-Based Act, if God forbid you got injured. We hope you stay safe wherever you're working or soon going to leave to work, and no matter what the job, if you're traveling in one of these dangerous zones, you really got to be prepared for what challenges may lay ahead, including any types of getting into harm's way, either mentally or physically, and not knowing what the process is, and how a lot of people just get left behind and get sent back with a plane ticket, and they don't have no idea how to seek treatment or what to do under the federal law. So you can call us anytime you want. I hope this was educational for you. You can call us anytime, day or night, regardless of whether you're injured or not, just to talk about certain things. If you want some more information, I can definitely try to help lead you if you're interested in these areas. Otherwise, please stay safe. Again, this is Brian Wiklendt with Garfinkel Schwartz. Have a great day, and thanks for your time.